be sincere, I know some who diverted from ICT to the other departments. And if you don't have that passion, because for you to be perfect in a specific area, you should have a certain passion in that field. So I can say this field, it's a very marketable course, because for me, I have done computer engineering, I have done networking. Right now I'm trying to specialize in networking, and I have done Cisco certification, about 24 of them. And Cisco, they are the one that certifies all the IT gurus. So ICT itself, it pays.
So you have told us that ICT it is a wide field. So where can someone who has completed ICT as a course work? Or can they work in other field like journalism and mass communication, in catering and hotel management in those hotels?
For the way we are heading, if you can look at the revolution on our ways of staying, or how we live right now, ICT or the technology is the way of living. Every field, even medical doctors, they need ICT. I have in one point I have worked in a hospital setup whereby I could help to manage their system. So ICT really, you can really work in every field in this Kenya. ICT is the best and one of the marketable course that I can advise somebody to do, and it's well paid. If only you realize your specialization, because ICT has programming, has something known as networking, has something known as engineering, whereby you repair the hardware parts of the computer. So you have to understand which area am I best. You get it? Which area am I best, or which area can I specialize in? Even in programming, it's broad. We have a lot of programming language, but an IT technician, you should identify some of the programming languages that are existing, even if it is just the basics, and then now specialize. If it is Java, specialize with Java. If it is C programming, specialize with C. If it is web-based programming like HTML, you specialize with it. But you cannot be all-rounded. Even in journalism, I think even the video editing, all the software that you use in journalism, you will find them you are applying ICT. For example, if it's possible when you are doing ICT, it's possible when you are in the field correcting news, even for you to handle these gadgets, the media equipment, you have to have a small knowledge of ICT. So I can say even the cosmetology, these technical courses, even the mechanics. So if you want to make yourself special from the others in your field, if you are doing something like cosmetology, if you have IT skills, you will be special than the others. So that's why I can really advise people to embrace in ICT.
According to you, what is your take pertaining negative attitude that there is no employment in the Department of ICT in Kenya? And if you are given opportunity today by the President to change the ICT department in Kenya, what can you really change?
In fact, I can say if there is somebody there outside saying that maybe alifanya course ya ICT and is saying that kuna kazi, anajidanganya. Because for example, even just buying a camera, going to do photo shoots, that is ICT. Simple editing of photos, that is ICT. The issue is the tax that the government is putting on these ICT equipment is somehow high. So I can say, maybe I can try to advise the government to reduce the tax, and something like the bundles. In fact, yesterday I saw the news yesterday. It was the network technology day yesterday. So I can, and they were really emphasizing on reducing something known as the cost of the bundles that are the cost of bundles that we buy here in Kenya. In fact, Kenya is the one that sells bundles very expensive. Even if you compare ourselves with people in India, India, I think their rates of buying bundles are very, very cheap and affordable. So if you can empower everybody, and because we have funds, so if you can empower everybody and give them the bundles, you can grow the economy. Because